Hey there, future real estate tycoons. Today we're about to embark on a journey that could transform your financial future. Imagine a world where your money is not just sitting in a bank, but actively working for you, bringing in consistent income and building wealth over time. That's the magic of real estate investing. But hold on, before you start picturing yourself lounging on a yacht sipping a piña colada, let's address the fears, the doubts that might be lingering in your mind, holding you back from this incredible opportunity. What if I told you we've got solutions for every fear? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to kick those fears to the curb and step into the world of real estate investing with confidence. But first, welcome back to our channel, where we're not just talking dreams, we're turning them into reality. If you're ready for a financial transformation, hit that subscribe button and buckle up, because you won't want to miss what's coming your way. So, let's get started. All right, let's talk about the fears that often grip beginners before taking the plunge into real estate. The most common fears are, I don't have enough money, and I don't know where to start. But fear not, my future tycoons. It's a common concern, because real estate has options for every budget. Let's explore some exciting ways to kickstart your real estate journey without breaking the bank. Do you ever heard about house hacking? It's the real estate world's best-kept secret for beginners. Imagine living in one unit of a multifamily property while renting out the others. This way, your tenants help foot the bills, and you get to dip your toes into real estate without a massive upfront investment. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Now let's talk about real estate crowdfunding. This is the social media of investing. You pool your money with other investors to buy into larger projects. It's like having a share in a real estate venture without having to handle the day-to-day operations. Plus, the potential returns can be impressive. And you can start with as little as a few $100s. For the more adventurous souls out there, there's wholesale real estate. It's like being a matchmaker for properties. You find great deals and pass them on to other investors for a fee. It requires hustle and negotiation skills, but the profit margins can be substantial, making it an attractive option for those with limited capital. And now, let's talk about leveraging your way into real estate. Creative financing options, like seller financing or lease options, allow you to control properties with little to no money down. It's all about finding motivated sellers willing to work with you. You don't need a hefty bankroll to get started, just some strategic thinking and negotiation skills. So, whether you're house hacking, diving into real estate crowdfunding, trying your hand at wholesaling, or leveraging creative financing, there's a path for you, regardless of your initial capital. And the best part is, each of these strategies comes with its own unique set of profits, providing you with the flexibility to choose what aligns best with your goals and resources. House hacking can generate instant cash flow through rental income, while real estate crowdfunding offers the potential for passive income and appreciation. Wholesale real estate can bring in quick profits through successful deals, and leveraging creative financing opens doors to controlling properties with minimal upfront costs. The key is finding the approach that suits your financial situation and risk tolerance. So, if you thought you needed a fat wallet to get started in real estate, think again. These strategies prove that where there's a will, there's a way. And real estate welcomes investors of all financial backgrounds. It's not just an investment, it's a pathway to financial freedom. Stick around as we delve deeper into the world of real estate investing and unlock the doors to your financial success. All right, budding investors, you might be asking yourself, why should I choose real estate? Well, grab a seat and get ready for 3 compelling reasons that will not only pique your interest, but might just make you fall in love with the idea of real estate investing. First up, let's talk about tangible assets. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is something you can see, touch, and walk through. Picture this. You can physically stand on your investment, paint the walls, and even install that dream kitchen you've always wanted. It's not just numbers on a screen, it's a tangible piece of your financial future. Now, let's dive into reason number 2, passive income. Who doesn't love the idea of money rolling in while you sip a tropical drink on the beach? Real estate, my friends, is a reliable generator of passive income through rental payments. You invest in a property, find a tenant, and watch the cash flow in every month. It's like having a money-making machine that works for you, even while you sleep. And here's reason number 3 that will have you nodding in agreement. Property appreciation. Real estate has a magical tendency to increase in value over time. It's like planting a money tree that grows more fruitful with each passing year. Imagine buying a property today and watching its value soar over the next decade. That appreciation can translate into substantial returns when you decide to sell or refinance. So, in a nutshell, real estate offers you tangible assets the joy of passive income, and the potential for significant property appreciation. It's not just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about building a portfolio that you can see, touch, and watch grow. There you have it, the ultimate guide for beginners diving into the exciting world of real estate investing. We addressed the fears, provided solutions, and highlighted the incredible benefits that can propel your financial growth. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you educate yourself, the more confident you'll become in making sound investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below about your real estate goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that empowers you on your journey to financial success. Until next time, happy investing.